Hello again, Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm on location in the community of Tahoqua. Tahoqua is right on the border of St. Cloud and Kissimmee. It actually has some entrances that are going to be accessible from St. Cloud because they're so close. But it's a very big community. This community will actually be tying into another one that I've done some videos on called Kindred. They're neighboring communities, and there's just a lot of cool things going on here. There's going to be shops built here within the community. There's a 55 plus located also in this community, their own schools. And this home behind me is being offered to you from Pulte Homes. They are the manufacturer. This is called the, excuse me for a second, the Palmary. It's a 1,900 plus square foot home. And let me go ahead and give you this tour. hope you enjoyed that tour. I love the details, the attention to details that this builder puts into their homes, not just the models, but just in general. What a beautiful kitchen. What an open, entertaining area. Feel free to shoot me your thoughts down below, as always, and know that my contact information is below. I'd love to be your personal help when it comes to relocating, buying, selling. I would love to be of assistance to you and your family. So please feel free to reach out to me, contact me via text, call, email. And also, if you could, like and subscribe for the channel. Hit the bell notification icon to get notified when there's more content coming to you. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.